Okay guys, here's how to play Coffee by Beabadoobee. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Here it is. That's literally the whole song. It's just a real simple rhythm, the most common rhythm of all time. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And you see that there's a little swing to it. It's not down, down, up, down, up. It's a right? Gives it that little lift. So practice that, and then get those chords. We got an A, or A major if you will. We got an A major 7. And then literally the same thing I just did here, I can move it all down a string for a D major 7 to a D dominant 7. It's literally the same movement, just shifted. Cool tip, right? A major 7, D major 7, D dominant 7. That's it, you guys. Have fun. That's the entire song. Enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys want the chord chart, the PDF, and all that stuff with the strum pattern and all that, I've got that on my Patreon. We'll see you guys there.